Most people think you need sophisticated malware or expensive software to see what's happening on another WhatsApp account, but they are looking in the completely wrong place. In the next few minutes, I am going to reveal the exact protocols used to mirror data across devices, remotely, using nothing but the native architecture already built into your smartphone. This isn't about downloading sketchy apps that steal your own data. This is about understanding the hidden backdoors of synchronized communication. Before we dive into these high-level methods, I must state that this video is for educational purposes only. We do not advise anyone to use the information in this video to infiltrate someone's privacy or violate any terms of service. This is strictly for understanding mobile security frameworks and protecting your own digital footprint. Now, before we get into the first phase of the remote link, don't forget that if you need more resources and help, you should check the pinned comment or video description for details. When you want to monitor a data stream without physical access, you have to exploit the concept of persistent sessions. WhatsApp operates on a multi-device protocol that allows a single account to be active on up to 4 different instances simultaneously. The secret isn't in breaking the encryption, which is nearly impossible, but in sharing the encryption key. Have you ever felt like your phone was being watched, or have you noticed a sudden drain in your battery life that you couldn't explain? Drop a comment below right now and let me know if you've ever seen a logged-in notification that you didn't recognize. I'm curious to see how many of you are already being tracked without knowing it. If you find this breakdown helpful so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Fastest Fix. We drop the most aggressive security insights on YouTube, and you don't want to miss the next update. To begin the remote synchronization process, you have to understand the shadow session technique. This involves leveraging the web-based architecture of the messaging platform. By masking a second device's browser identity to appear as a desktop workstation, you bypass the standard mobile restrictions. This allows the primary device to handshake with the secondary device through an encrypted QR bridge. Once that bridge is established, every single packet of data, messages, photos, and voice notes is mirrored in real time. The primary user has no idea the bridge exists because it runs as a background system process. It's a silent, invisible tether. This is why hackers don't need to install software. They just need 3 seconds of digital proximity to capture the session token. Once they have that token, they can walk away and monitor from across the world. As we move into the more advanced cloud sync methods, think about how often you leave your device unattended on a table or charging in another room. That is the extraction window. If you're enjoying the pace of this video, share it with one person who needs to level up their digital security. Sharing helps the channel grow and keeps this content coming to you for free. Now, let's talk about the backup interception strategy. Every WhatsApp account is linked to a cloud storage provider, usually Google Drive or iCloud. If a third party gains access to the metadata of your cloud account, they don't even need your phone to read your messages. They simply download the encrypted database to a virtual machine, run a decryption script using your phone number as the seed, and the entire chat history populates in seconds. This is the ultimate no-install method because the work is done entirely on the server side. You might be wondering, is it actually possible to stay 100% private in 2026? What is the one app you trust the most with your data? Tell me in the comments, and I'll tell you if it's actually secure. By understanding these remote monitoring flows, you become harder to target. You start looking for the signs, the linked devices in your settings, the unusual data usage, and the cloud access logs. Most people are vulnerable not because they aren't tech-savvy, but because they don't know where the invisible doors are located. Stay tuned to Fastest Fix as we continue to peel back the layers of mobile security. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and remember, the best way to stay safe is to know exactly how the systems work against you. Check the description for those extra resources we talked about, and I will see you in the next one.